Hello guys, if you want to improve your English, you are on right channel. Today we are going to learn profession names and their use in sentence. But before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more videos. Electrician, electrician. We need to call in an electrician to sort out the wiring. Lawyer, lawyer. Ben decided to tell the lawyer everything he knew. Librarian, librarian. His father is the librarian of our school library. Chef. Try this new dish created by our head chef. Janitor, janitor. The janitor was just sweeping up as I left the building. Fireman. The fireman evacuated the guests from the burning hotel. Teacher. Teachers are the gifts of God who make our career and guide us towards success. Painter. The painter has managed to capture every nuance of the woman's expression. Farmer. Their livestock might be put in the charge of one selected local farmer.